Hey there, future property moguls. Welcome back to my channel where we break down the real estate game and help you make the best investment decisions. I'm Alex, property investor and Airbnb superhost in Bali and Dubai. And today we're diving into an epic showdown and a topic very close to me, Dubai versus Bali property investing. Who's gonna win the real estate championship? Let's find out. Alright, let's kick things off with the numbers. The cold, hard data. We're talking return on investment, the golden ticket in the world of real estate. Dubai and Bali have their own unique charms, but do they stack up in terms of ROI? Now, historically, certain areas in Dubai, like downtown and Jumeirah, have seen really high ROIs. On the flip side, Bali's Seminyak and Canggu has also shown incredible returns. Let's check out the percentage change in prices over the last year. Here's where the numbers get spicy. In Dubai, we've seen a robust 16.9% increase in property prices for the past year. Meanwhile, Bali is holding its own with a 15% surge. It's a tight race, folks. Now you're probably wondering how much moolah you need to get into this property party. Well, let's discuss this and focus on the initial investment required for both of them. Dubai is obviously known for its luxury properties, and that comes with a price tag. On the other side, Bali offers a range of options from more budget-friendly ones to upscale villas. It's actually all about finding the sweet spot that matches your investment style. Average price for a one-bedroom apartment in a new build in some of the 5 best areas for investment in Dubai is around 300,000 USD. And you can find out more by watching the video in the link description where I actually talk about the 5 best investment areas in Dubai. But now back to Bali, where for the same price you can probably buy a 2 to 3 bedroom villa in one of the most popular areas like Canggu or Seminyak, and a 1-bedroom apartment or a 1-bedroom villa will be around $120,000 up to $200,000 for a new build. The catch and difference here is that in Bali you cannot actually buy a villa throughout a mortgage or a very good payment plan like in Dubai, which obviously is a more developed place and city that offers a full range of payment plans and payment options via banks and any other forms. And that ultimately makes it a bit easier for a smaller investor or a beginner investor to start with, because you are actually able to gather a smaller capital for this specific investment. Therefore, depending on your pocket size, both options could be really fruitful and could be good in terms of the initial investment. If you compare cash to cash investments, then probably Bali will be better because it's just much cheaper and it could pay back quicker for you. Now let's sprinkle in some laughter with a few new fun facts. Did you know that in Dubai they built an indoor ski resort? Because nothing says investment like hitting the slopes when it's 40 degrees outside. When in Bali, monkeys can be your actual neighbors, but they're more like local property managers, always curious about what's happening in the neighborhood. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about some other KPIs that will make or break your decision. Factors like rental yield, property taxes, maintenance, and regional stability are also very important. Dubai might have higher rental yield, which is true, but Bali can actually make your investment pay back quicker. And that's given when you compare apples to apples and you actually invest all in cash in both places. Yet, if you do get a payment plan or a mortgage, Dubai's payback is drastically shortened, as your rent is paid by the tenant while you actually make some extra profit above that. That happens due to the mortgage payment being lower than the rent payment, usually by at least 30%. So in case you mortgaged your apartment and you rented it out, you might have only paid 20% as an initial investment, which can ultimately be paid back by the tenant in around 3 to 6 years. And although you don't make as much profit at the end of the day, you at least have a free apartment that is fully paid back in just a few years, and afterwards you only are making profits. Now, if we speak about my very own intakes, I actually do think that both markets are very favorable. For those investors who want to have cash flow right away and don't have too much capital, I personally would look at Dubai as a better option, where you can benefit of payment plans straight from the developer at 0% interest and also get into a mortgage and basically pay a very little amount every single month to pay it back, while doing Airbnb with it or renting it out for long-term periods and making an extra profit of it. Also, due to no income tax on property, you basically get what you earn. At the same time, if you have a bit of cash and you are ready to invest it fully into a project, Bali might seem more likable for you. And that is because you don't actually need a lot of cash for it. You can, for example, buy a one-bedroom villa and leverage Airbnb in the peak season specifically, which is almost 80% of the year except winter, to maximize your profits and also have a better payback than in Dubai. And there you have it, folks. Dubai and Bali, two amazing destinations that I truly love. But which one of them wins the property investing crown? It ultimately depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and of course, budget. If you want to know more, please do reach out as I do property investing programs. Yet, most importantly, don't forget to do your due diligence. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join our community of property enthusiasts. Until next time, may your investments be as sunny as Bali and as luxurious as Dubai. Signing off, happy investing.